Traffic.
EndSARS now. 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 EndSARS now.
Shade.
EndSARS now. EndSARS now. EndSARS now. EndSARS now. EndSARS now.
Come on,
EndSARS now. EndSARS now. Hold on. See, we have to be organized, because if we are not organized, then we are like them. Yeah. Hello. Hold on. Let's arrange ourselves. Listen carefully. Listen. No. See, show. They must leave the road. Let them leave the road. See, we must not inconvenience other Nigerians. Hold on. See, the reason why...
Just form a circle. Leave the road and come. Let's face what we came here to do. Leave the road. Come inside like that. Yes. Come here. Returns Nigeria people. Our president. Nigerians are being killed by police headquarters. We have brought the blood of the Nigerians who were killed by this line. Everybody, hey, wait. Just wait. Everybody form a circle from this line. From a circle big enough. Hello.
Wait.
From the circle. This is how we break it. Hello. Are we a bunch of thugs? No! Are we violent protesters? No! What are we? We are Nigerians demanding ends. What are we going to do now? We are going to bend. Hello! Hold on. We are about to paint the first headquarters. We are about to paint the first headquarters with the blood of animals, because we could not get the blood of our brothers and sisters. Exactly. That the SARS operatives have continued to kill as if they are animals. Yeah. So what we are going to do is to draw answers on the floor with this animal blood. Yeah. And this will serve as a strong message to the IG of police that we don't want you to ban SARS. We want you to end SARS. We don't want you to ban checkpoints. We want you to end SARS. So this is the chart. Hello. This is the chart that we go with the drawing. As I am saying, what are we demanding? You will say end SARS. What are we demanding? End SARS. What are we demanding? End SARS. End SARS. What are we demanding? End SARS. What are we demanding? End SARS. What are we demanding? Open up. Open up. Open up. End SARS. Open up. End SARS. Open up. End SARS. What are we demanding? 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 End SARs. End SARs. My brother. Where?
It is now incumbent upon us to demand to see the Inspector General of Police. Yes! You cannot just play
Nigerian people. Nigerian people. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. We shall always fight for our rights. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. We shall always fight for our rights. Greatest of the greatest Nigerian people. Conscious Nigerian people. Please, we have done the symbolic thing. We have done the symbolic thing. Let us be organized. The reason why I said, hold on guys, hold on please. So that let our message go out to the Nigerian people. Yes. We have done the symbolic thing. Exactly. It's commendable that we have, the road is free now. Yes. Now let us turn by turn. Let us turn by turn, coordinate it in such a way that we pass our message loud and clear. Exactly. I want us to, where is Rap? So that we can do this one after the other. Show we speak first, then other we speak one after the other. The message is so important, so that the message does not get lost in traffic. Yes! Rap!
They should give gap, they should extend.
greatest Nigerian people. Greatest Nigerian people. We get, can you please?
They should open up. They should open up. Calm down, calm down. Baba is talking, Baba is talking.
So please, after doing the symbolic pouring of blood at the police headquarters here in Abuja, the coordinators, the organizers, and the directors of SARS, that is the Special Anti-Robbery Squad, that has been killing young people across the country. Yes. Since 1992, we want to demand to see the Inspector General of Police.
Yes. Yes.
The Inspector General of Police is a civil servant, and we, representing the Nigerian people, Nigerian youths, have come here today to deliver this very strong message to him. We are no longer interested in banning of SARS. Yes. They have banned SARS more than the number of times they have proscribed Boko Haram. Exactly. Greatest Nigerian people. They will arrest you. You don't even know where they are taking you to. That's this. Can we have
It's okay.
We are here.
Let's talk one after the other.
The same way people are at Nigeria today in Benin City,
Lagos.
There are people in Lagos, people in Abeokuta, people in Enugu, people in Port Harcourt, and this is just the beginning of this protest until SARS is completely scrapped, dismantled, and disbanded. Yes! And let us sound it loud and clear to the Nigerian people. SARS is not only our problem. Even the Nigerian government is our problem. Exactly! The Nigerian president is our problem. Yes! Vice president is our problem. Yes! The Nigerian Senate is our problem. Yes! The Nigerian House of Representatives are our problem. Yes! Nigerian governors are our problem. Yes! It is the reason why we tell you guys in the police force, when they send you to go and kill people, don't kill your brothers. Because Your conditions are as bad as those of the people that are here as well. Yes. Greatest Nigerian people. Yes. I want to ask, is the IG of police around to talk to us before we proceed? Because otherwise, I will hand this over to Deji, who will read out our demands. We want to find out, is the IG of police around? Can we hear from the police? Yes. Police answer, please.
Give way, please. Hello, greatest of the greatest Nigerian people. Yes. Well, I can see Frank Mba here.
Is Frank Mba the IG?
No, just hold on. I can see Frank Mba. And I believe that France should go and communicate to the Inspector General of Police that we want to see the Inspector General of Police.
That's right.
Number two. Okay, no problem. Number two, you see, let me tell you why struggles all over the world succeed. They succeed because they are organized. The reasons why struggles all over the world succeed is because they follow defined civil society agitation struggles, protocols. I want this struggle to be successful, and that's why I'm saying we must articulate our issues aside just the noise making. You see, our demands are very simple. They are simple in the sense that people are being extrajudiciously killed.
Every day.
And this is the fourth time.
On daily basis.
This is the fourth time that the police are banning SARS.
Yes. Audio banning.
This is the fourth time.
Audio banning.
They ban this one
and Nigerians are tired of
every day
audio banning. And that's why we are appealing. We are demanding. We are agitating. We are advocating for not a reform. You cannot reform what is decayed.
Yes, sir.
You see, these guys, the way they behave as if they are gods. They behave because Nigerians cannot be running away from armed robbers and criminals. Then Nigerians will also run into another criminal.
Killing
See,
Nigerians.
the SARS itself, they are giving the police a bad name.
Yes.
So, if the police have tried for 4 times to reform SARS, and the reform is not working, he's going to create another unit. It's not by force. Create another unit. Yes, we identify, we understand the problems. But however, you cannot be banning every time. This is the 4th ban. And all the ban are audio ban.
Audio!
So we are demanding for a complete end of SARS. And all the SARS officers that have done extrajudicial killing, we are demanding immediate prosecution. We are demanding compensation. We are demanding compensation for the victims of this grave dehumanization and violation of rights of citizens. You see, let me tell you something. I know for a fact that nothing comes easy. And when citizens sleep on their rights, and that's why I keep appealing to Nigerians every day that as citizens, we must live up to our responsibilities as citizens. It is after we have lived up to our responsibilities as citizens that we cannot tell government to do theirs. Coming out to protest is one of living up to your responsibility as a citizen. Demanding, when you see, I can never see anybody being harassed by SARS, and I will stop the injustice. So we have a duty to our nation. See, patriotism is not loyalty to Buhari. Patriotism is loyalty to the country. To your fellow citizens. Because if we have tried, and truly we have tried, Frank Mba is here. We met the IG about a year ago on this same issue, and promises were made by the IG to us. Promises of reforms were made. Frank Mba was in the meeting. Promises of reform were made, and we have not seen any single reform. It's unthinkable that a whole Inspector General of Police will give order for people to leave the road, and people are still on the road.
They don't respect you.
It's unbelievable.
Because they don't respect
Is
you.
it that these guys don't respect the IG?
They don't respect the IG.
Is it that they don't respect the chain of command? Because if a whole IG gives an instruction, leave the road. At least, even me, if I give an instruction in my office, people obey my instructions.
Yes.
So how much more the Inspector of Police will give an order, and these guys will still not leave the road? Yesterday, the SARS officers were still harassing and slapping people in Benin.
In Benin?
Collecting phones.
Imagine.
So
as if they bought it for us.
we are paying. And let me tell you, my brothers and sisters, let me tell you, these guys are damaging the reputation of the police.
Yes, the reputation they don't have.
And again, let me tell you something again, sir. You see, citizens makes country work all over the world.
Exactly.
Without citizens, the country cannot work.
It cannot.
If the police are looking for partners, if you want people to volunteer information, why should people be afraid of SARS?
Of SARS.
If truly you want community policing to work, when the last time we met the IG here,
You are speaking our mind.
we told the IG, we said, sir, it is in the police best interest to reform SARS. But now we are not demanding for a reform. We are demanding a complete scrap of SARS.
We don't need it.
Get another unit.
We don't need SARS.
Get another unit.
End SARS now! 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 End SARS now!
It's okay. So please, I will give the microphone to
Greatest Nigerian people. Maybe there is a message from the IG that is on his way. I don't know.
We believe so.
But I see Frank Umba here. Frank Umba is my friend. Long time ago. We attended the University of Lagos together long after I graduated. So even by way of where we went to school, he's my junior. So no, he knows that. Frank Umba can talk to Naira Marley.
Yeah.
That is his level. But we want to talk to the IG of police. We are not here because of Frank Umba. Frank Umba knows how to talk very well. That's why he's purpose PRO. But we are past that talking stage. We want them to end SARS. And the only person who can give us that commitment is the Inspector General. But if Frank has a message to pass to us that the IG is on his way, I will gladly listen to him. But if the IG is not coming, then we continue the protest until the IG shows up.
Exactly.
Am I right?
Yes! So, let's allow Frank to
Yes,
talk.
that's what I'm saying.
See, we have to open up a bit.
They have their own mind.
Please, let us open up. Can we open up a little bit?
Please, hold on. See, please, let's allow him to talk, please.
I will beg us, first of all, can we just move out lightly this way? Lightly.
Let's open up a bit.
Slightly.
Just okay. Let's do it. Let's do it.
Now you are blocking now. See, Bob, please.
Greatest Nigerians. Greatest Nigerian youth. Greatest of the greatest of the greatest of the greatest. Listen to me. The fact that we have a protest must not take away our Nigerianness.
Protest is not
Frank Umba or any other policeman you are seeing here is first and foremost a Nigerian before becoming a policeman.
Don't be distracted, please.
Let's hold on and allow the noise.
We are not distracted, sir. Go ahead. What are they?
Do I have your ears?
Yes,
I was trying to say something very important. Everybody you see here is a Nigerian.
Yes, sir.
And we have a joint stake in this country called Nigeria. Anybody you see here, whether he's wearing a red uniform, a black uniform, a camouflage, is first and foremost a Nigerian. As a matter of fact, the biggest qualification for you to be a policeman, a soldier, a custom officer is that you must be a Nigerian.
Exactly.
And so when we are faced with a problem and we are trying to address the problem, let's try to respect ourselves, respect the fact that we are first of all brothers, we are first of all from the same community, we are first of all from the same territory. And so, when we speak to each other, let's have that at the back of our minds. So that no matter what we do, no matter the anger, we don't lose focus of what is the major thing we are chasing. Let's remember to talk to each other with respect. Let's remember to talk to each other with decorum. Because at the end of the day,
no, we want to see the IG. We want to see the IG. We want to see the IG.
Showore,
no.
Showore,
Frank,
you are a leader.
You are a leader. We want the IG. 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 We want the IG.
Show. Let him finish talking.
What is the IG?
Yes.
What is the IG?
That is the
He's a Nigerian. What is the IG? What is the IG? What is the IG?
You know, you know, gentlemen, I started by appealing to you people that let's respect each other. Everybody here has a family. Everybody here have elders.
Yes. We are talking about respect. You respect people when you shoot them.
Hold on, now just allow him to
You're a uniform is an activist.
That's what we want. No, please. All due respect.
I'm here to see IG. Nothing more.
Let's come address us, then we go. As simple as that. What's that? What's the scared of? Let's come out and address us.
What's the big deal about the IG? What's the big deal about the IG? Just tell the IG. People want to see him. They are talking about respect.
Let me tell you people something.
No, I'm not.
allow him to
I'm not. Okay.
They allowed us to talk.
The point is,
They allowed us to talk.
Piero is talking and you say he cannot talk.
No, it's a shame. I already said he should talk.
let me tell you people something.
They allowed us to talk. Let them talk.
I am here not because my name is Frank Mba. Before I came, there were lots of people who were here. And those people who were here did not speak to you because they don't have the authority to speak to you. I am here because I represent the IG.
Where's the microphone? I told you.
Where's the microphone?
Come this way. Come this way. Protected him. Who has protected you? Who has protected you? Your colleague was sent up and 2 weeks later he was killed. His family are being told to leave the barracks. If you are killed today, who is going to protect your family? Would they have good quality education? You are standing here, we are standing for you.
This one, man,
You are standing here, we are standing for you. And so you dare to push us because you are you. You know what's here? Now your colleague when they carry go from 2 weeks. They kill him. What's going to happen to your wife? What's going to happen to your children? You know what's going to happen? Madam, you're Virginia Duku. Your colleague was killed. The other time, one of them pregnant was killed. And if they kill you today, they won't do anything. They call you to come and attack us. They call you to come and attack us. Esther, what about your colleague that was killed? What about the one that was pregnant? She wasn't allowed to give birth to her children, and they were killed. Azimi, we are all in this together. Your children are having good quality education. Your children are being protected. Your children are getting all the best. What happens to your child? What happens to your children? They haven't done the best thing for them. When they ask you out, you have to go to break it to go and complain. Do they have good houses for you? So when you see us protesting on the streets, we are protesting for you. So don't come and attack us. Pushing us will not solve the problems. Where is the IG when his men were killed in Borno? He was like a coward inside there. I didn't even see him call out Shekau and say to him, I'm the IG. You touch one of my men and I'm going to go after you. Where was the IG? He was hiding inside here because he needed all of you to protect him. He's not being put in there for Cyrene to be following him. He's being put in there to protect lives and properties, and he's not doing it right now. That's a good thing. You think you're trying to save? Imagine the father that he has to kill his son. 4 bullets! An only child. What happens to him? What happens to him? Freedom come. Everybody go. I don't know why we don't. Yeah, where did they go, sir? Sit down. Everybody sit down.
At Flow 94.9 FM, we've got conducive and well-secured environment for business. High-tech video studio, a state-of-the-art production studio. You can also listen live on www.flow949fm.com and watch our videos on YouTube at Flow FM TV. Flow 94.9 FM, not just radio, but a complete broadcasting house.